Okay, hello. So in front of us is a Cincinnati-Milacron R77 universal cylindrical grinder. And this is our machine number 169233. It's a serial number of 27298, which is new in 1974. And the machine is wired for 220 volts. So the R77 model is a machine that is 10 inch by 31 inch capacity, and it has a 16-inch wheel. The wheel head is universal, and it's a single swivel wheel head. And so this is a full auto cycle grinder. So we're going to show you shortly how the machine cycles. So it has both a pick cycle and a plunge cycle. And so we'll go right ahead. Go ahead, Kyle. All right, so right now we're showing a pick cycle with the table traversing. The wheel comes in, and I believe you can see is it on the indicator over there? Does it show? Okay. There we go. There's the pick cycle. Kyle, you can take a step back. All right, so we'll just let it run for another minute or so, just to show you the pick, and then we'll show you the plunge cycle. Okay, so now we'll do the plunge cycle. Great, thank you, Kyle. So note on the top, there's the indicator, which shows the wheel coming in. So it's first on the course, and it's going to hit a point where it switches over to the fine, and you'll see it it'll have a different speed on the indicator assembly. So Kyle just sped it up for you. We'll do it again. So Kyle, if you could show it with the switching from coarse to fine, because it didn't show that in the last one. That's fine. Leave it. That's fine, Kyle. All right, so we have it now just going very slowly for the fine, and then it will. There's a spark out timer, and at the end of whatever time you set, it kicks out. We'll show it again in another cycle. Okay. Okay, terrific. So let's just do it one more time, and then we'll just show the variable speed on the workhead. So not only is the workhead, the spindle is infinitely variable. Kyle, if you could just turn the speed a bit. Great. So the workhead spindle is both live and dead. So right now there's a dead center, I believe, in there. Is that correct? Is the spindle not, the center not rotating, or is it rotating? Correct? Okay, good. Okay. Now this machine also has the optional fine feed hand wheel. So there's a fine feed knob that's graduated to 40 millionths. And the graduations actually in this machine are both inch and metric. So there is a coolant system, of course, with it. And so we have a complete running machine. And thank you very much for watching the video.